Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crypto Jackie. Today I would like to talk about the price of Bitcoin. We are going to check out the most important time frames. We will try to predict where Bitcoin is going to go. We will try to answer the question: has the trend already reversed? Yeah, a lot of people are asking this question right now. So I think that it is worth talking a bit more about it. Do I jump into the trades right now, or I'm still waiting on the sidelines? What indicators should we keep an eye on? Yeah, we will see in this video. So stick with me, guys, and yeah, let's dive straight into the chart. And as you can see on a daily time frame, we formed this ascending triangle that we were talking in the previous video. And it turned out that this triangle broke out exactly as we were predicting on this channel. So as you can see, the price target we put there was around $44,000, and yeah, we touched it. We even tried to go above it, yeah, but finally we had a reduction on the price of around 45,500. Now we are retesting the upper band of a EMA ribbon. This is, in my opinion, really bullish sign because it might turn out that we are going to have a bounce right over there on the upper band of the EMA ribbon. And if it happens, it will mean that the trend has finally reversed and we can expect higher price targets. It is a daily time frame, which is not like 1 hourly or even 4 hourly. It's a daily. Yeah, keep it in mind, guys. That the higher the time frame, the more meaningful the indicators are. And yeah, in this case, yeah, we are above the EMA ribbon, which I told you is a sign to me that the trend is finally reversed. What also we can see on the chart, not much really, in my opinion. We just have to wait. If this bounce happen, we should see some price reaction to the upside from now on. If not, I expect the price to go further down to test the EMA ribbon that we used to broke out of. Maybe even the downside of the EMA ribbon, we will see. That will be even more healthy for Bitcoin, because then we will see some reset on RSI. Also, we will see some correction on the MACD. And yeah, it could be a good entry point for your trades. It's not a financial advice by any means, but yeah, I think that waiting for some kind of a correction right now and finally entry the trade might be all right, especially if you do not have any Bitcoin. Then I think this is like a wise decision to do to finally buy some. Yeah, so in my opinion, we can either bounce from the top of the EMA ribbons or wait for the retest of the bottom. In either case, I would jump into the trade. Also, let's take a look at what is happening on a higher time frame. Let's take a look at a weekly time frame. And on a weekly time frame, you can see that the EMA ribbons are squeezing right now, and this is what we were waiting for last couple of weeks, actually, because it means that we can finally have some longer movement to the upside. And as you can see previously, we had pretty same situation, yeah, because we had a correction yeah, we were low on the EMA ribbons, and then we finally move through them, bounce, yeah, and reach higher price target. And that's my strategy here. I'm very, very patient. Yeah, but still, I'm keeping an eye on what is happening on a higher time frames. And if I see that we are finally breaking through the EMA ribbons, and it's if we are going to have a retest of them on the top of the EMA ribbons, then I think higher price targets are very probable. Yeah, it depends. If you want to DCA a bit, if you want to buy low, play more aggressive, uh, you could basically could have buy here, could have bought here, but yeah, if not, then there will be a really nice opportunity over there when we will make sure that we are going to the upside. Also, it will be a very nice time frame because it will be end of February, beginning of March, and a lot is happening in the Eastern Europe, as you probably know. Not only now in the Eastern Europe, but also in the whole NATO and Russia. And I guess that this conflict is really close to the point where either like bad or good decisions have to be made. So yeah, by March, I hope we will have like some the decisions, and then we will be, let's say, more we will know, yeah, that there will be no like external factors that will impact the price. So it will not be, let's say, the technical analysis TA that will tell you, but some events that are happening now in the world. Yeah, also let's take a look at a monthly time frame. This is a big one, but it will tell you a lot actually, because as you can see, we are in a massive uptrend from the beginning of 2019 to now. We are in a massive uptrend, and we are respecting those EMA ribbons. As you can see, every time we hit EMA ribbon, either from the upside or from the down, or the top EMA ribbon or the bottom EMA ribbon, we were still going up, and it happened actually this time again, which is extremely bullish, which means that we are respecting the trend, which means that there was no capitulation on the market right now. But we are still very close. What may happen, worst case scenario, is that we will have a fake out over there, which means that a lot of people will see that, okay, now it's really good point of, because we finally had a bounce. We are close to reversing the trend, which means that we are finally going up. But it might be like a false positive for you, because it might be only a fake out, and then we will continue down, because every we had 3 months of going down, so it is really probable that finally we will have a month where we will be up, but still it might not change much in the overall picture, right? So we don't want to only take a look at this green candle. We also want to take a look at those three red candles. So this might only be this one, and then we can also go down. Remember that it's not like a confirmation yet, but as I said, if we closed February above the EMA ribbon, and we are starting March with upper price targets, then in my opinion we can go a lot higher than now, and my price target would be something around those movements over there, actually, because last time we were that close to the EMA ribbon was yeah, here and here. But to be honest, I would bet like this because we didn't have a blow off top in my opinion yet. And what it means that we should have a very aggressive movement to the upside, and then go for the bear market. So if we are going to go the same way like we went here, it means that the price target would be around 600% up, which would be let me quickly measure that. A lot, as you can see, yeah? We might reach price targets of approximately, it's such high that I have to scroll up. Yeah, even $200,000 is in play, like no problem. Taking into account how much inflation we have right now, how governments are fighting with the inflation. They are still printing money. They still do not care about their citizens. Yeah, so it was 265. Okay, so yeah, in my opinion, such movements are very much in play here for Bitcoin. Like 200%, like no problem. Even 400%, like, because blow off top is something very rapid, is something very aggressive, is something that like nobody predicts it might happen, and we didn't witness it yet, which give us a clue that it might happen eventually. Let's take a look at what is happening on MACD. On MACD, we had, unfortunately, a bearish cross. I was mentioning it a few times, but we do not know yet if this will be confirmed, because if we go down, then it was a very valid bearish cross. But if not, then we can expect actually to have something like this, yeah? So we had a bearish cross and then no problem, we went up, right? We reversed the trend and we went further up. And this might happen this time. So if we are going to talk about price targets of around $100,000, $200,000, it might be advisable to wait a bit to see if we are finally going up, and maybe play a bit safer, especially if you are already in the trade. And then to accumulate more, I would wait for some confirmation. And then blue sky is ahead of us. But as I told you, we have to keep an eye on external factors, the events that are now happening in the world, because they might have a big impact on the price, and unfortunately, they might be something that will make the price go lower. So yeah, keep this in mind, guys. Okay, I guess this is it in this video. If you enjoyed, please smash up the like button. It will be also much appreciated if you hit the subscribe button. Then you will be up to date with every new video I will drop out on this channel. You can also turn the notifications on by clicking the alarm bell. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.